I sit by myself, talking to the moon.
It's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free. He's my best bud. I want him to be happy. It's okay, bud. You belong there. With her. We don't. Our world doesn't deserve you. Yet. Please, you are my best friend, but I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. I didn't think about what you needed. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too.